The ePortfolio dashboard is the landing page you are presented when you access the OC ePortfolio system from the OC portal. The dashboard is a page that only you see. In this short video, I will guide you through the steps you can take to customize this page so that it is an effective navigation page for you. There are two paths you can take to customize your dashboard page. The first is to find your dashboard page in the Create area by clicking on the Create section on the left side of your page. When you click this, you will be shown a list of the pages you have in your ePortfolio. When you are new to ePortfolio, you typically will have two pages, your dashboard and your profile page. To edit your dashboard page from this section, you click on the three dots on the right side and select Edit. However, the easiest way is to just select the Edit Dashboard link at the bottom of your dashboard page. Either option will take you to the editing area. Depending on the template loaded for your dashboard, this page may be populated with some placeholder blocks or it may be empty. If there are placeholders, you can either edit those or delete them. My recommendation is that you delete them by clicking on the trash can icon and start fresh so that you can determine how you want everything to be displayed. So here we are with a blank page. The editing page for the dashboard is fairly simple. On the far right side of your window, you will see three icons. The first is a dark block, the second looks like a computer screen, and the last is a back arrow. When you mouse over the first icon, it will change to a plus sign. This is the icon you use to add content blocks to the page. If you click it, it will give you the option of placing your block at the top or at the bottom of the page. However, a simpler way to use this is to drag the plus sign onto your page and place it where you want. It is important to mention here that if you want to include images or files such as PDFs or any other type of content files, that you must have them stored on your computer ready to upload when you are creating the block, or that you have that content uploaded into your files area on the ePortfolio system before you build the block. As I said, you can drag the icon onto your page to begin building your block. Once you release the icon, a pop-up window will appear. This is the configuration window, which lets you name the block if you wish and select the kind of block you will be creating. So let's say the first thing I want to do is add a birthday reminder list so that when I log into ePortfolio, I can see who might be having a birthday this month. The first thing I am going to do is create the list of birthdays. To make the list, I will need to make this block a text block. Once I select text as the type of block, the format of the configuration window changes to give me an editing window to add text. Much like other editing windows in the Learning Exchange, an editing toolbar is displayed at the top of the editing window. If I click on the down arrow that is on the left side of the editing toolbar, I get several formatting options, such as selecting font type or size. I can either type in the text and then select the format options, or I can select the format options before I type in my list of birthdays. When I am ready to save the block, I click the Save button and it will now appear on my page. I can resize the block by dragging the two-way arrow in the lower corner, or I can reposition the block on my page by dragging it by the plus sign on the upper left corner. So now I can check how it looks on my dashboard by clicking on the icon on the right that looks like a computer screen. Now I can see that the birthday list appears at the bottom of my dashboard, but I think it looks a little boring, so I want to add a picture of a birthday cake next to it. So I click on the Edit Dashboard link again and get ready to do that. I drag a new placeholder onto my page, and when the pop-up appears this time, I am going to select Image as the type of block I am creating. So when I select Image, you see that the image selection bar is added. By clicking on the small down arrow on the right, I am given two options. I can either upload a file by selecting the Choose Files button, or I can select an image I have previously uploaded. In this case, I already have a graphic uploaded. By clicking the check mark next to the image name, it will now appear as the image selection bar, and I can save the block. Once the picture is added to the page, I can drag it to a position I want, or if I need to, I can resize it, and when I am happy with how it appears, I can then click the dashboard display by clicking the display icon again. Now you can see that when I log in to my ePortfolio dashboard, I have a colorful reminder of birthdays that I want to remember. This short tutorial has only covered two types of content blocks available for you to add to your dashboard. As you explore adding journals or other content pages, you may feel you want to provide yourself easy access to them from your dashboard. You are encouraged to explore all of these options. Remember, if the block does not work or seem to fit, you can always delete it and try again. Only you are the person seeing what's there, so it's a great place to play and experiment. I hope this short tutorial has been helpful and that you gain confidence in your editing skills on ePortfolio. These skills will become important as you have assignments that are completed using the ePortfolio system. Make sure you check out the other video tutorials that cover the other types of pages and activities you can create in ePortfolio.